Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis's IC Lab, and in today's video I'm going to take out this dune buggy IC car that I built in the last video and drive it around and see what it can do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please be sure to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So just enjoy the video. I'll be back after this. From driving this icy car around, so yeah, as you can see now there's some dirt on it and stuff, so yeah, hovering around, it's still holding up well though. Need to wash it off a little and get this dirt off, so yeah, it held up well. And in the video, you probably won't be able to really tell, but I'm going up a steep hill. At one point that's what's going so slow, so yeah, it's not slow icy car as you might be able to see from some of it. It goes pretty fast now that I got the new gears in it and stuff, so yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll hopefully be posting again every day. I'll be trying my best, so just stay tuned, and that's all for this video. Bye.